Most smart home setups start like this, flashing SD cards hoping they boot, random reboots, unstable Wi-Fi. That's exactly what I used to deal with. Then I discovered the ALPON X4. Let me show you how it works. ALPON X4, industrial grade, Raspberry Pi based, built-in OS, runs Home Assistant in a container. It's compact, ready to use, and can be managed entirely through a web interface. You don't even need to touch it. To use ALPON X4 for the first time, I needed to register and activate the device. Honestly, it might be the fastest and smoothest setup experience on the planet. Here's how it works. Get your ALPON X4, plug in the power, go to connect6fab.com. Sign in with your existing email account or create a new one. Add a new asset and enter your device's serial number. Click the activate button. That's it. Wait a couple of minutes and boom, ALPON X4 is online and ready to use. Told you it was the fastest. Before installing Home Assistant, we'll connect the device to Wi-Fi. You can do this through the web interface. Go to the network section. Click Connect to Wi-Fi. Select your network and enter the password. You can also set the priority between Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and cellular connections. Just choose what works best for your setup. To install Home Assistant on the device, we'll use a container. ALPON X4 has a built-in container management system, so it's super easy. Go to the Applications tab and click Deploy. If you want to push your own Docker application, you can use the Registry section. In this case, I'll use the official Home Assistant image from Docker Hub. Set the volumes parameters for the container. Enable host network and privilege mode. Click Deploy. The deployment will start and finish in a few minutes. Once it's done, your application is ready to use. That's it. Now it's time for the first setup of Home Assistant. Go to the Network tab and find the local IP address of your ALPON X4. Open a browser and enter the IP address followed by port 8123. Complete the Home Assistant setup by entering your details. That's it. Home Assistant is now up and running. If you want to use Bluetooth with Home Assistant, you'll need to change a few settings. Luckily, accessing the ALPON X4 terminal takes just one click. Open the terminal. Set Bluetooth to experimental. Restart the device. Now Bluetooth is available inside the container. To use Zigbee devices, you'll need a Zigbee USB dongle. Plug the dongle into a USB port. Power on the device. Once Home Assistant is running, click the Add button to start setting up Zigbee. After that, you can easily pair Zigbee devices with your smart home. You'll also be able to see their real-time status, group or identify devices, view the Zigbee mesh in a visual layout. I've added a few Zigbee-based door sensors to my setup. These are great for monitoring doors, windows, or any type of cover. I also have several temperature and humidity sensors. One uses Zigbee and the rest use Bluetooth. Additionally, I've installed 2 motion sensors to detect any movement in key areas. For me, one of the most critical devices is the water leak sensor. It can help prevent serious damage by alerting me at the earliest sign of a leak. Definitely a must-have. Beyond sensors, I've added a few Wi-Fi buttons, which can be programmed to perform different actions. I also have smart power switches to control things like lighting, window shutters, and ventilation. Now that everything is installed in its proper place, the system is ready for action. After placing all the devices and introducing them to the system, the next step is automation. For example, you can set the window shutters to open automatically at sunrise and close when you leave the house. If it starts to rain, they can close on their own. You can also automate heating, lowering the temperature when you're away and raising it back to your preferred level when you return. Beyond that, you can control your entire home remotely from anywhere. I placed water leak sensors in the kitchen and bathrooms. If any leakage occurs, I'll get an instant alert so I can act fast and avoid major damage. Motion sensors serve as an alarm system when I'm away. While I'm home, they turn on the lights automatically. Hands-free convenience. With automations like these, your smart home becomes not just efficient, but truly enjoyable to live in. What happens when your internet goes down? Nothing, if you're running ALPON. With built-in LTE failover, your automations stay alive, no interruptions. And if you want to access your device, just open the web UI, click Terminal, and you're in. That means you can manage your devices from anywhere in the world, whether through the UI or directly via the terminal. The reason I chose the ALPON X4 is its ability to operate for up to 8 years without maintenance. In case of an internet outage, it automatically switches to an LTE backup connection, so my smart home keeps running smoothly without any interruptions. Another major advantage is remote access. I can monitor and maintain the device from anywhere. And since it uses eMMC storage, I don't have to worry about storage failures over time. Additionally, if a software freeze ever occurs, the device is equipped with a watchdog timer that automatically performs a hard reset, keeping things running without your intervention. Considering all of this, using an industrial-grade computer for a smart home setup is not just practical, it's incredibly appealing. Follow for more and see you in the next build.